How are you having all? Today we have to learn new chapter number 6. So dear student, open the textbook. Chapter number 6, squares and square roots. Okay, an introduction. So dear student, we know this formula: area is equal to side multiplied by side. We have to know this formula: area is equal to side multiplied by side. So dear student, introduction in this table: 1 square is equal to 1 multiplied by y. 1 multiplied by 1. Why it is do this? Okay, 1 multiplied by 1. So 1 square. 1 square is डिनोटेड बाय नंबर 1 को हमें 2 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. वी हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट मल्टीप्लिकेशन ट्वाइस टाइम. ओके, 1 square is equal to 1 multiplied by 1. Okay, square is denoted by we have to number 1 2 time multiply. Okay, so it is a 1. 2 square, so 2 multiply by 2, so 2 2s are 4. Okay, square is denoted by कि 2 times represent करेंगे. Okay, 3 square, so 3 multiply by 3, so 3 3s are 9. Okay, 4 square, so 4 multiply by 4, so 4 4s are 16. 5 square, so 5 multiply by 5, so 5 5s are 25. 6 square, so 6 multiply by 6, so 6 6 are 36. 7 square, so 7 multiply by 7, so 7 7s are 49. 8 square, so 8 multiply by 8. We have to represent number 8 2 times multiply. Okay, so 8 square, so 8 multiply by 8, we get 64. Okay, 9 square, so 9 multiply by 9, so 9 9s are 81. Okay, 10 square, so 10 multiply by 10, so 10 10s are 100. Okay, some student is like this, okay, 1 square, so 1 2s are 2, it's wrong. Okay, it's wrong. For example, 6 square, so 6 2s are 12, so it's wrong. Okay, 6 square, so 6 6 are 36. Okay, square क्या डिनोटेट करता है? We have to represent number 6 2 times multiply. Okay, 11 square, so 11 multiply by 11, so 11 11s are 121. 12 square, so 12 multiply by 12, so 12 12s are 141. You have to try this multiplication. 11 multiply by 11, so you get this answer 121. You have also tried this 12 multiply by 12, so answer is 144. Try this 144. Okay, 13 square, so 13 multiply by 13, so 13 13s are 169. You can try this. Okay, then after write down this answer. Okay, 14 square, so 14 multiply by 14, so 256. 14 square, 14 multiply by 14, so 196. Okay, you can try this multiplication 14 multiply by 14, then write down this answer 196. 15 square, so 15 multiply by 15, 15 square, 15 multiply by 15, so it is a 225. Okay, 16 square, so 16 multiply by 16, so 256. You can try this multiplication, so answer is 256. Okay, 17 square, so 17 multiply by 17, so 70 70s are 289. You can try this multiplication, then after write down this answer. Okay, 289, check it. Okay, 18 square, so 18 multiply by 18, I think so 324. Okay, 324. Let's check this answer. 18 multiply by 18, 18 multiplied by 18. Check this answer. So 18 multiplied by 18. So 0, 1, 8. 8 8s are 64. 6 ups. 8 1s are 8 plus 6. 8 1s are 8 plus 6. 14. So 4. 8 plus 4, 12. 1 ups and 3. So 324. So 19 square. 19 square, that means 19 multiplied by 19. Okay, 19 multiplied by 19. So check this. Check this, and I think so. 19 multiplied by 19, 361. I think so. So check this. Okay, 19 multiplied by 19. So 0, 1, 9. 9 9s are 81. 8 ups. 9 1s are 9 plus 8. 17. So 1, 6, 1, 3. So 361 correct. And 20 squares. So 20 multiplied by 20, we get 400. Okay, so you have checked this multiplication, and then after write down this answer. Okay, so observe the last places. Observe the last places. Observe this last places. So 1 square, last digit 1, 4. ओके, हम लास्ट प्लेसेस का ऑब्जर्वेशन कर रहे हैं. लास्ट प्लेसेस, यूनिट प्लेसेस. Last places. Observe these last places. So observe these last places. So here is last places 1, 4, 9, 6, 5. 6 is repeat. 9 is again repeat. 4 is again repeat. 1 is again repeat. 0, 0, 1 is again repeat. 4 is repeat. 9 is repeat. 6 is repeat. 5 is also repeat. And you can see that कि अब डिजिट रिपीट हो रहे हैं. सो लास्ट प्लेसेस हम ऑर्डर में लिख देते हैं 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. So here is number is a perfect square. ये जो नंबर है वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है कि 1. सो किसका स्क्वायर है? 1 का स्क्वायर है. 4 सो किसका स्क्वायर है? 2 का स्क्वायर है. नंबर 9 3 स्क्वायर. 16 4 स्क्वायर. 25 5 स्क्वायर. 36 6 स्क्वायर. 49 7 स्क्वायर. 289 17 स्क्वायर. सो दिस नंबर इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. एंड आप कैसे कह सकते हो कि ये जो नंबर है वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है? ओके, सो हमने ऑब्जर्व किया कि यहाँ पे जितने भी लास्ट प्लेसेस है वो 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 है. सो यू कैन ईजिली से दैट कि दिस नंबर इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. ओके और नॉट. ओके, बिकॉज लास्ट प्लेसेस 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. ओके, या 36 इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. वाई? बिकॉज लास्ट प्लेसेस इज अ 6. ओके, सो टेक्स्ट बुक में ट्राई दिस. कैन वी से whether the following number are perfect square? How do we know? ट्राई दिस है, टेक्स्ट बुक का क्वेश्चन है. ट्राई दिस. ओके, सो नंबर ए 1057. So it is a perfect square. So no. Why? Because last places is a 7 digit. आपको आंसर राइट डाउन करना है कि 1057 are not a perfect square because last places is a 7 digit. Okay, 23,453 is a perfect square or not? So no. Why? Because last places is a 3. सो लास्ट प्लेसेस कौन से होने चाहिए? 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. सो इट इज़ अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. दैट्स वाई नॉट. ओके, अदरवाइज नॉट. नंबर 8, हियर इज अ नंबर 8. सो आपको यहाँ पे रीज़न you have to write down this reason कि 7928 is not a perfect square because last place is a 8 digit. Okay, this one is also not. And 1609, it is a perfect square. Why? Because last place is a 9 digit. Okay, here is also perfect square. Why? Because last place is a 1 digit. Okay, so you can easily say that this is a perfect square or not. Why? Because only one condition, last place is a 1 4 1 4 5 6 9, otherwise not a perfect square. Okay, so आपका होमवर्क क्या है कि ये 1 स्क्वायर 2 आपको कंप्लीट करना है 25 स्क्वायर. ओके, ये आपका होमवर्क है. देन आफ्टर हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक्सरसाइज 6.1 लर्न करेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू.